Python's syntax emphasizes code readability and simplicity. This makes it easy to write and maintain code. Python's focus on readability is one of the reasons it's popular among beginners and professionals. Here is a simple example that demonstrates this clarity and ease of understanding. This is an example of calculating the average of list of numbers. This is a sample code from Python. First, you need to declare a list of numbers. Then, get the sum of the numbers, get the average, and print the average. Only 4 lines of code. However, in programming languages like C, C++, or Java, the same operation might involve lengthy syntax. For example, adding necessary libraries, creating loop structures to sum the list, and more variable declarations. Let's have a look at C programming example. In here, you need to declare a preprocessed directive that tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, which is needed for the printf function. This is the main function, which is the entry point of the C program. Then you need to declare an array of integers named numbers containing 5 values. This calculates how many elements are in the array. You need to initialize a variable to store the sum of all numbers. Then you need to create a loop to go through each element of the array to perform the summation. After that, you get the average and print the average. The return 0 indicates the program completed successfully. Here is an example from C++ programming and another one from Java. All of them have roughly the same number of lines, but they are 2 to 3 times longer than the equivalent Python code. These are the key takeaways about readability in Python. In Python, it is easy to use meaningful variable names like numbers, total, and average, making the code self-explanatory. Python also provides built-in functions like sum and len, reducing the need for extra code and making the program cleaner. There are no semicolons, curly braces, or unnecessary characters. Python uses indentation to define blocks of code, making it visually structured and easier to follow.